let's look at more contest na mokoi. They see an edena there was a omokoyi enipa bako. Na Otu Franka Emma the National Democratic Congress. Ebi mo fi say some of the party executives na you omani di bako chidodo. Ehamo.
Oh, ehadwene enye fe. Say in politics they will be na se kwa so beto amobia. See edisie. Ne du ho a na ko yi anim pe. Na mo nyina mo yi manim na ya kan block ye pe 99%, ye pe 100%. Ene unu kra ni sanka obie mu bi ko bi. Oh, it is not fair. I believe so obia would the appeal. But trying na ko to abani hu say papa ya to amowi we anya say. Oh, na mo nyina mo ba on blocker. Obi anim chance mu. Ade ba chichiran obi anim chinasem. Nti ade ndi na mo emma politics no di ma binim to say because sponsorship becomes a problem. Obi amoska because I just say nyina who say you tani pa ba ko chi. Nti obi anya den. Don't for the zika mro because the zika bro it's like
it's a zika.
Enti I believe say
na mo need to say our party ma emma
kwan say. Oh, enti say no ma to egu. Na say nyanto abakwan so go for the nipa ba ko photo. Atayom photo hu chese ati say we win awie mo on na edi no.
It is a primary simple no for parliamentary no.
Yes.
Ebi mo de chese nipa ba ko phone na tare o de on sa ya to ama na awie on na edi ne ko.
That's it. It's a man yenum na ewum no. And my sponsorship cried because people think unim their way, but we don't know what we are doing. A lot of people think na kwa we pa e dey no wodi ade no aye common obi anim say we are winning. I didn't know how.
They say that.
Oh yes, I mean they don't tell you physically, but as well as actions nature. But obi anim chirasem. Obi anim wa onim and nyame so na si hene. Edu timer. E betima de car crowd bomb show 9 lem fufro man wayo. You know, nti I think the NDC is see suanyansa. If you name kiti pi mu. Om dem echo no. Ya anya ne sa da chibi e be hai. Da chibi e be hai. Oh. Na yenya abotre because ye nyina ye mami ba ko mawo. E na ye wum. Nti say ya prekwa na eniso bia anya edidi atem eniso bia ye acrimonious eniso bia ye ntokwa di bibia campaign tell the people what you want to do for them. Now if you're able to do that na senkrofo no wasem no to masuma ombeto ama won na say to say one way anyway cuz say maybe okra kwa omso mama
they don't want you to be there.
They don't want you to be there.
How?
Yes, because Yempo. And it's sad. It's very sad. Oko baby to say Techiman area, a Bruno area. Baby say, oh, you. Then they put all sorts of impediments in your way.
So they bear too many delegates in Shia.
Just too many delegates in Shia. But we know how to go around maneuver. It's not fair. Oh, the matron. But you say Dr. Dufoko baby. Almost had your own bar, if I could boo. What would that do to you? Are you strengthening democracy in the party? The boys be quiet. Scatter. You see, so are we strengthening the party or the democracy diagro? That be can be Mamin Kabino and also the Buffon and them. It's not fair. So those who are doing that in the party, they are warned. And you're fair. And you're fair. So Kobu Dr. Dufonko for Dinechi, I see anything. I didn't diba. Yes, it's your ye pay unity you.
Yeah.
Near Kabum, near ni MPP for you, and they are pimps to
also crown our power.
That's right. And he said, Mom, you're united. Now we say, I could run in Kofo. Next time I could join him, Monon, I say, hey, Miss Rowe, never go to obey then. Obey draw. Obey Tran. And to me, all the chairmen who are misbehaving, no. And your party order, but a certain chairman and yes, I did. And I think it's uncalled for. I think it's totally wrong. Some of them even have threatened that or had a 99%. What would be that? Are you going to rig? what are you going to do? And yeah, fair. And I'm very not happy with that. You know, I've called party hierarchy a complaining. I catch them said, because I did that whole training.
That's
right.
Some people have an issue, say, contest we are more corner. Even if the party